Hi, Sean.
Help me with my accounting homework.
Do you even know what accounting is?
Accounting, what's that?
Gosh, Sean, I'll tell you all about it.
Just things that for you to know. Use them in the future, so here it goes. All about accounting is in my head. All this information I will lend. So Sean, what is your idea? Let us know. So I'll give you what you need, what you want, what you need, what you want. Tell me all about it, please, will you, Sean?
I'm curious about accounting, how you define history of accounting, its functions, businesses, and even ownership, an overview of basics and everything.
Accounting is simple, no need to worry. The systematic, comprehensive recording, financial transactions of a business, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting.
And so, it involves assets, liabilities, equity, analysis, verification of an entity, allows the company to analyze performance, look at statistics, and ways to enhance.
We finally got them in. Accounting was used years back then. Early history traces back to Pacioli, described the system of bookkeeping only. 1494, 1494, early traces of accounting and far.
Industrial Revolution used this method, needed more effective progression. Share owners, bondholders, and firms made sure that the company is in good terms. People needed advanced systems, development for their own conditions. Great Depressions urged advancement to make the system lasting permanent.
Nice one, Sean. You're finally learning. Accounting is a language of business, involves recording, classifying, summarizing. Aside from this, you will learn interpreting. Recording is concerned with transactions done ensure the further subdividing actions. Financial nature is properly recorded to see from the point of convenience.
Classifying the other hand, facilitated in the journal. It is done in a book called the ledger. See the figures. It will be much better.
Along with this is function of summarizing, useful to internal and external analyzing, easy to see the data as a whole, to hit the bars and income total.
Guys, you're forgetting something important. Sole traders, hey neighbor, it's just a man in the van, a plumber, a gardener. It's a sole proprietor. It's a really small business that he runs, but he gets the job done.
It's the two main guys in town, the brothers from another mother that started their own business. Accountants, lawyers, and doctors, they do this, combining their skills to do their own thing. Companies have a board of directors. They shoulder the burden of running the business, so that shareholders, the owners, can get a major profit. They get a portion of the money that goes into the company. Jollibee, McDonald's, Wendy's, what do they have in common? All of them know, name, and the locality. Basically, you use the reputation of the model to advance and establish your own business.
Accounting can be described as a way to communicate the financial health of a business or an organization to any and all interested parties. It is a way of assessing the assets, liabilities, and cash flow, or the future of an entity for all current and future investors. It is the lifeblood of a business, and all types of business have basic information that is recorded to get that job done. All accounting or bookkeeping has a standard set of accounting principles. It stands for every type of business. In this way, there is unity in all business accounting procedures to ensure that there is unity and a clear understanding no matter what business is being monitored. Accounting professionals are extremely important in almost all functions of business and government. Accountants and bookkeepers prepare and maintain financial records. They make sure that financial records are accurate and prepared correctly. Additionally, they also make sure that tax reports are prepared correctly and paid when they are due. Accounting is a backbone of businesses, as this is the only way of knowing what the budget is for the year, the profit, the cost, and the like.